Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Volvo XC60 all-wheel drive. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.2 6-cylinder. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. XC60 Volvo all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, our media display, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Volvo has 95,355 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo, check out feldmanimports.com.